So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to migrate from BigCommerce to Shopify. So migrating from one platform to another is never quite simple, but they make it pretty uh, easy for users. So through there, I suggest first you go to products and you can see all products, and on there you will need to go through product and click on export. So go through here and export first all your products, and you can see here template and file options. I suggest you go to default and then export as CSV and save export to the server, later download. Click on continue and export all the products first. Then you can go through your orders. So basically most of the stuff you have on here, you can click on export. So the first 3 or 4 sections of this control panel should be exported. After that, go to Shopify and set up your account. So you just need to log into Shopify. After that, you'll see the options for each and every one of these sections to actually import. Once you go to your own admin panel, it's called like that. So once you log in, and you can import all of these into your either customers, your receipts or invoices or orders, and your products can all be imported through there. So that's how you can do that, or you can even use a third-party tool to do the migration. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on BigCommerce or some other topics you might enjoy as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.